Okay, so now uh, we have installed the Visual Studio Code. Now in this Visual Studio Code we have to open the folder. So the basic thing is that we should have the folder first of all. So on the computer, go to the desktop. So how to open the desktop folder on the computer? So basically we have to open this icon. So file explorer is there. So to the left side there are the quick accesses given. Okay, so this is the quick access given. Desktop folder is there, download folder is there, document folder, picture folder, 3D object, all these particular navigation is given. Okay, so I will go to the document folder, and in this particular document I will create one folder. Then how to create the folder? We can click here new folder, or we can click or right click here and then the new in the folder. So here I need to give the some name to this particular folder. Say the name of my folder is computer science CS 11 12 videos. Okay, so this is what is the name I am given. So I want to open this particular folder inside the Visual Studio Code. So for that I will open the Visual Studio Code once again. And then I will go to the file and then the open folder. Okay, so then from the desktop I have created the folder on document. Okay, so now I will open CS 1112 videos. So select the folder. So that particular folder will be opened in Visual Studio Code. So here you can see that it is a welcome window. So basically I have to click on yes, I trust the authors, and then I want to close this particular welcome window. So I will click on a close button. So CS 1112 videos is there. This folder is there, and basically it is empty one. So here I will create one file. So this icon is for creating the file. This icon is for creating the folder. Okay, so I want to create the file. So file is always created within the folder, and basically the folder is the CS 1112 videos. Okay, so inside this folder I will create the file. When I click here, so basically it is an arrow now. As soon as go to the that particular icon, that arrow is converted into the hand. So if I click here, then it is asking for the name of that folder I want to create. So index.html. So as soon as I mention the extension as HTML, so the two angle bracket symbol is appearing here, opening and closing angle bracket. So it is the index.html file. Now in order to access the default code, okay, so I have to type the shift and the exclamatory mark. So such type of the code will appear whenever I enter this particular code. So enter button, and this default code is appearing here. Now in this particular code, this meta is a tag, one tag, and it is again the meta second tag. So tag name is a meta, this is also the meta, and char is equal to utf dash 8, it is a attribute. So name is equal to viewport, it is the attribute. Content is equal to something is also the attribute. So we can delete this because now we don't need these two tags. Okay, so now our code will become simple one. Okay, so I will save it. if I run this particular code, basically we have installed the live server extension, and because of that I am getting the live go live icon here. Okay, so if I click on go live, let's see what is the output of this particular code. So in a suitable browser it will display the output, default browser. So whatever may be your default browser, so on that browser you will see the output. So this is the output of our code. This is our code, and it is the output. It is loading. Okay, so output is getting. So basically this is the document name, and I am getting the output here, document. So one by one we will try to learn the meaning of this particular code. So the first line is compulsory one. In every HTML page you will find this particular line, that is doc type HTML. Okay, so it stands for doc type, means it is a doc, means the documentation, and type means it is a type. Okay, documentation type is the HTML. This documentation means index.html, it is a HTML document. It is the meaning of this particular line. Okay, so more practically it is the document of the HTML language, HTML5 version. That is the meaning of this particular. So here we are getting document as a title. So now I will change, this is what the doc type HTML. So it is representing that the below document is of the HTML type. Okay, then HTML, if you click here on line number 4, so if you click on the line number 4 here, so it will string. So it is a root element. So within the root element we will have the another HTML elements. So first HTML element is a head, and the second one is a body. Okay, we can string the head, we can string the body also. So within a HTML element, so it is a tag. Basically HTML is called as a tag. Okay, and this pair of the brackets, so this pair of the brackets, less than symbol, greater than symbol, this is called as a tag. So it is a start tag, and it is a related end tag. It is a start tag and related end tag, start tag and the related end tag. So inside the start tag we will have inside the start tag here, this is called as the attribute. Attribute is something which gives the additional meaning to that particular tag, such as HTML is a tag. Okay, because HTML name is there and the less than symbol, greater than symbol is there. This is called as the tag. So in a start tag we will have lang equal to en, means English. Okay, so it is a key, equal to sign, and it is a value. So value is always represented in a double quotes. So it is present in a double quotes. So key is equal to value pair. This complete is called as a attribute. This attribute tells that the HTML page is using the English language. Now inside the HTML tag we will have the head tag, and inside the head tag we will have the title tag. So I will change the title here, the content of that particular title tag. So this is or my first website, and save it, and let us check the output. So it is refreshing my first website. So the changes done in a title tag are appearing here on the title tab. Okay, then it is the body. So body will contain some visible content. Suppose h1 tag is there, and I will write the hello world. Save it and see the output. So hello world will be printed here. Then if I take the paragraph and the lorem, so lorem will give this default text. If I hit the enter button, so you will find the default text here, and you will get the output like this. So this is what the very first code. So this is what the very first code in HTML. So we should be able to execute the code. We should be able to explain the meaning of this line. The meaning of this line is that this document is of the HTML type. Then HTML is the root element, and it is the attribute key is equal to value pair. This attribute tells that we are going to use the English language. Head is the content of this HTML. Body is also the content of this HTML. Inside the head tag, this is called as a start tag, this is called as a end tag, and it is the content of the head tag. Okay, entire this is a content of HTML tag. Okay, then the body tag will have the heading tag, and hello world is a content. Okay, paragraph is the tag, and this much is the content of that particular paragraph. So this is called as the HTML, hypertext markup language. So the meaning of the hypertext is that the hypertext is a simple text, just as this is a simple text, but this text has got the additional meaning that it is a title. Okay, this is also the simple text, but this text has got the special meaning of the heading. This is a text but has a special meaning as a paragraph. So this special meaning is called as a hypertext. Markup means providing the special meaning to the text by using the different tags is called as a, this process is called as a markup, hypertext markup language. Okay, like this.